Over the past few days, we've experienced so much of what makes Kundasang special. From breathtaking sunrises and unforgettable hikes to delicious local food and peaceful mountain stays. Kundasang has given us memories we'll never forget. But every great journey deserves a grand finale, and there's no better place to end this chapter than one of Sabah's most iconic attractions. Before we leave Kundasang and continue our journey to Kota Kinabalu, there's one place we simply couldn't miss. If there's one attraction that has put Kundasang on the tourist map, it's this. Welcome to Desa Dairy Farm, the iconic destination that made people call Kundasang the New Zealand of Malaysia. With its rolling green pastures, cool mountain air, grazing Holstein Friesian cows, and breathtaking views of Mount Kinabalu, it's easy to see why this place has become one of Sabah's most iconic attractions. Let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. Yeah.
Itu betul tiket nanti sampai dekat kaunter pagi dia akan bagi tester free
Basket. Well, they give us sample.
nanti saya bawa kita pergi sana
Milk. Susu. Unfortunately, Mount Kinabalu was completely shrouded in clouds during our midday visit. If you want a clear view, I highly recommend going in the morning.
Ini tempat ice cream.
Oh, wow.
Kalau mau ice cream sini.
Oh, mesti mau punya. Okay, welcome to Desa Dairy Farm in Masilau, Sabah. This is what most people call the New Zealand of Malaysia. So yeah, we are here in a cow farm, a dairy farm. So we're gonna look at some cows, try their dairy products, milk and ice cream. Yeah, so spend maybe about 1 hour here, and then head to Kota Kinabalu. It's quite windy here. Mount Kinabalu is just behind there, hidden by the clouds. And we did hiking on one of those mountains yesterday, so my legs are still sore. So there are some souvenirs, flowers. This is ice cream, I think. So the entrance ticket includes sample. I'm not sure a sample of milk or ice cream. So yeah, we have to go in to redeem it. Look at the amount of people. It's also a very, very long weekend. Come, let me help you.
Cash ah? Yeah. Pass through.
Oh. So this is where you redeem your complimentary fresh milk. Fresh, the freshest milk you can ever get. So they have souvenirs here as well. Wooden fridge magnet for 5 ringgit. What do we have here? Where's my Oreo?
I didn't take Oreo, I got chocolate.
So this is chocolate original.
Original
Chocolate.
yogurt. Original.
Oh, okay.
Because the topping all for you.
This is the original yogurt. Okay, not too bad. Slightly sourish because it's yogurt. Not too sweet. And this is the chocolate. Let's try. Wow, very rich chocolate. Again, not too sweet. Yeah, it's like almost like a dark chocolate. That's good. To be completely honest, Desa Dairy Farm wasn't my favorite attraction in Kundasang. I can definitely understand why it's one of the region's most popular destinations. Having a working dairy farm surrounded by rolling green pastures with the majestic Mount Kinabalu in the background is something you don't get to experience every day, especially in a tropical country like Malaysia. For me though, it felt a little more commercialized than I expected. So it didn't leave the same impression as some of the other places we visited in Kundasang. Unfortunately, we were also here during a long weekend. What should have been a quick 1-hour stop turned into almost 4 hours because of the traffic getting in and out of the area. And that definitely shaped our overall experience. That said, I still think Desa Dairy Farm deserves a visit, especially if it's your first time in Kundasang. The views are undeniably beautiful. The cool mountain weather makes for a pleasant visit. And seeing dairy cows grazing with Mount Kinabalu as a backdrop, that's if you're lucky. It's a uniquely Malaysian experience. If there's one piece of advice I'll give, is to avoid weekends and public holidays whenever possible. I genuinely believe we would have enjoyed our visit much more if it had been less crowded. Every traveler experiences a destination differently, and while Desa Dairy Farm wasn't the highlight of our Kundasang trip, we are still glad we came to see it for ourselves. Sometimes, the best way to know if a place is worth visiting is to experience it and decide for yourself. And that's a wrap on our Kundasang adventure. It's been an unforgettable experience, and we are so grateful we got to explore this beautiful part of Sabah. Next stop, Kota Kinabalu. A huge thank you to our driver and guide for taking such great care of us throughout this journey. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Okay, I'm with my guide here, Muhammad.
So if you want to contact him directly for adventure tours in Sabah, you may do so. Let me pass him the mic.
Hai, saya Muhammad. Sekiranya anda berminat untuk membuat lawatan ke Sabah, anda boleh hubungi saya melalui WhatsApp ataupun melalui akaun TikTok saya. Nombor WhatsApp 013-829-5293 untuk hiking, Mount Kinabalu trip, cycling trip or white water rafting trip, city tour. Bolehlah cari saya nanti. Okay. Kawasan Kota Kinabalu, especially Kota Kinabalu, trip tour all in Borneo. Semua kita akan atur. Sandakan trip, river cruise Kinabatangan, Danum Valley, diving Sipadan, Mabul, hiking in Bohe Dulang, trip island Bohe Dulang pun kita akan arrange. Thank you.
Pack your bags, we're chasing light. City glow to mountain heights. New doors, open stories start.